Hey everybody, Rick Lopez from Condesa here. Welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to bring something for us today, ceviche. So we're going to use some ingredients that I have here at the house, but do our base mariscos recipe from the menu at La Condesa. So follow along and I hope you enjoy. I have to show this first because it's our fancy ketchup from a burger joint here in town. This Yucateco spice right here is going to be the base for our citrus, lemons. We have some mandarins or oranges or some grapefruit. We have some limes, some mint, serranos from HEB because we have to have some spice, some carrots. I'm not going to use cilantro in this one because I have a lot of vegetables in the house and I don't want to waste those. And then we have some tomatoes from Marfa, and some onion from Fagan Farm. Then the seafood we're going to use is some tuna and then some shrimp right here. So the tools that I'm going to use today are my two hands, a knife, a zester, large mixing bowl or medium-sized mixing bowl, and some spoons. Everything's going to be put together really quickly and you can have it for yourself in probably 10 or 12 minutes. So first thing we want to do is peel and devein the shrimp. We can take this little shell off. You can save the shells for some stock, or if you want to make a really nice soup right out of it, you can do that. And then what we want to do is devein right here. Take this little nasty bit out. You don't want to eat that. What we want to do after that is zest everything and get all the juice into our mixing bowl. So here's the fun part. After the juicing and the zesting, this is where we add our base. So we're going to add the ketchup, and then we're going to add a couple dashes of the spice right here. This will add fire, this will add sweetness, and just take you back to your Whataburger days. So we have our mix now. We have the ketchup, the Yucateco, all the citruses and the zest. That's our base right there. And then the next step after this is to cut our shrimp. Hit the shrimp with some lemon juice and some lime juice, some salt. Let that cook a little bit. So here we are, cutting our veggies. I have some carrot tops that I've already kind of picked through and I want to leave them in kind of whole. And then the tomatoes I kept a little bit chunky. I want to have another bite in there other than the fish. These are my serranos. I'm just going to slice them up for us today. So, real thin. If you haven't had a serrano in a long time, these are going to be a little bit spicy. This is that onion I was talking about from Fagan Farm. I'm going to use this part too. So we're going to split it in half and then we'll just do like little half moons. And then the tops that we have right here, we're going to fold those into our mix. For the mint right here, I've laid a few leaves on top of each other. And I'm not going to scrunch them up or anything, I'm just going to leave them flat. We're going to go right into little strips. So those are thin. That's our herb. These are our veggies. The avocado, this is the fun part. I'll split this guy right here. And then we'll do some nice chunks of that one too, because I think the avocado is, besides the fish, the avocado is going to be the really fun part of this whole ceviche. So once all of our veggies are cut here, I'm going to go into the tuna. And this is just for us right now, so I'm going to use this much tuna. And we'll cut tuna a little bit in the same fashion as we did our shrimp. If you haven't had ceviche in a while, you're probably just going to finish this whole cut here. So this is our sizes. Kind of matches the veggies and matches our shrimp. We're all cut up, we're all meased out. Now we're going to go to our mixing bowl. We're going to float this into our cocktail glass and share a bite with you. This is the final dish. The pro tip on this one, freeze your glass for a little bit. When you come back to La Condesa, I'll do this for you. Cheers.
This looks too pretty to like dig into. Have you tried it yet?
Squish it around, squish it around, squish it around. That's your first tuna! Oh man! It's okay.